Have you noticed something crazy? A few years ago, making money online usually meant one of three things. You either needed to become a full-time content creator, learn coding, or spend years building a business from scratch. But AI changed the game. Right now, complete beginners are using free AI tools to create products, offer services, automate work, and generate income faster than ever before. And no, this is not one of those fake, make $10,000 overnight videos. This is a realistic blueprint. A beginner roadmap. A simple system that can help you build your first $1,000 online using AI tools. And the best part? Most of this can be started with just your smartphone. No expensive setup. No office. No employees. No advanced technical skills. Just internet, consistency, and execution. Today, I'm breaking down the exact 30-day plan. Week by week. Step by step. From zero to first AI income. Let's get into it. First, you need to understand one important truth. AI is not the business. AI is the leverage. That means ChatGPT will not magically deposit money into your bank account. Canva will not automatically make you rich. CapCut is not your employer. These tools are simply multipliers. They make one person faster, smarter, and more productive. So instead of asking, how do I make money from AI? Ask, what valuable thing can AI help me create faster? That shift changes everything. Now let's build your first $1,000. Week 1, pick one simple AI offer. This is where most beginners fail. They try everything. AI art, dropshipping, YouTube, affiliate marketing, freelancing, crypto, NFTs. Meanwhile, they make $0. Your first goal is not empire building. Your first goal is proof of income. You need your first cash result. Momentum matters more than complexity. So choose one beginner-friendly AI income model. Here are three strong options. Option 1. AI content services. This means using tools like ChatGPT and Canva to create things business already need. Examples: Instagram captions, social media posts, ebooks, flyers, ad copy, email sequences, presentation slides, resume redesigns, business proposals. This works because businesses care about results, not how you made it. If you can deliver value, you can get paid. Option 2. Digital products. Use AI to create and sell downloadable products. Examples: CV templates, business proposal templates, church flyer bundles, social media packs, AI prompts, study notes, budget planners, Notion templates, printable journals. You create once, sell repeatedly. This is scalable. Option 3. YouTube automation. Use AI to create faceless videos. Grow audience. Monetize with ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or products. Since you're already building this channel, you understand this model. For fastest income, I recommend starting with AI services or digital products. Why? Because YouTube usually takes longer. Services can pay faster. Now once you choose one model, commit. No switching. No shiny object syndrome. Just one path. Next. Week 1 action steps. Create your offer. Let's say you choose AI content services. Your offer can be: I create 30 social media posts for small businesses. Simple. Or, I design ebook covers and lead magnets. Or, I turn rough business ideas into polished proposals. Keep it simple. Now build samples. Use ChatGPT. Use Canva. Create 3 to 5 portfolio samples. These do not need clients. Fake projects are fine initially. Example: a restaurant Instagram post, a skincare brand flyer, a fitness ebook cover, a church event poster. You're building proof. Now create a simple selling page. This can be WhatsApp catalog, Instagram page, Google Drive folder, Linktree, beacons. No website needed. Keep it lean. Now let's move to week 2. Week 2, get your first clients or buyers. This is where money begins. And this is where most people hide. They build logos, perfect branding, fancy bios, then never sell. Do not do that. Your job is outreach. And because you're faster, you can sell more. Now ask for testimonials. This is critical. Social proof sells. Ask clients. Can I use your feedback as testimonial? Collect screenshots. Post results. Before and afters. Reviews. Numbers. This builds trust. Now create urgency. Offer limited slots. Example: only 5 content package slots available this week. Scarcity improves conversions. Week 4 is where things get interesting. Week 4, scale to first $1,000. At this stage, your focus changes. Not learning. Scaling. Double what works. If outreach works, increase volume. From 30 messages to 100. If reels work, post more reels. If one product sells, create related upsells. Example: if CV templates sell, add interview guide, cover letter pack, LinkedIn optimization template. Bundle everything. Higher price. More profit. Cross-sell. Upsell. Bundle. Repeat. Now here's realistic math. Scenario 1. 5 clients pay $100 each equals $500. Sell 25 digital products at $20 equals $500. Total equals $1,000. Scenario 2. 10 clients at $50 equals $500. Affiliate commissions equals $200. Digital products equals $300. Total equals $1,000. Scenario 3. High-ticket package. 3 clients at $300 plus. Done. The point is, $1,000 is not mystical. It's math. Solve the equation. More eyeballs. More offers. More conversions. Now let's talk mistakes. Mistake number 1. Consuming more than executing. Watching 100 videos changes nothing. Action creates results. Mistake 2. Switching models too fast. Stick long enough to learn. Mistake 3. Waiting to feel ready. You won't. Start messy. Improve later. Mistake 4. Overbuilding. You do not need website, LLC, office, premium laptop, team. You need customers. Mistake 5. Pricing emotionally. Charge based on value, not fear. Now here's something most people miss. The real opportunity is not $1,000. It's what happens after. Once you prove income once, you can repeat. Optimize. Scale. Outsource. Automate. Build audience. Launch products. Create systems. Every day. Message people. Businesses. Creators. Founders. Coaches. Churches. Vendors. Small brands. Who needs your offer? Let's say you sell social media content. Search Instagram. Find small business owners. DM them. Simple message. Hi, I noticed your brand could improve consistency online. I help businesses create 30 branded social media posts quickly and affordably. Interested in samples? That's it. Not a TED Talk. Not desperation. Just value. Send 30 to 50 messages daily. Yes. Daily. You need volume. Not emotions. Some will ignore you. Some will reject you. A few will reply. That's enough. If you sell digital products instead, post consistently. Platforms. Instagram. TikTok. Facebook groups. Telegram communities. Pinterest. WhatsApp status. Example content. 5 CV templates every job seeker needs. AI business templates for small brands. Editable church flyer bundle. Drive traffic to your payment link or DM. Make buying easy. Use. Haystack. Flutterwave. Sealer. Gumroad. Now pricing. Beginners overcomplicate pricing. Don't. Start low. Your goal is proof and testimonials. Examples. $10 to $30 starter products. $20 to $100 beginner services. You are buying momentum. Not maximizing profit yet. Imagine. 10 customers pay $20. That's $200. Small. Maybe. But psychologically powerful. Because now you know money is possible. Then scale. Week 3, systemize and increase value. By now, you should have some traction. Maybe first clients. First buyers. First feedback. Now optimize. Create packages. Instead of one-off offers. Basic, $20. Standard, $50. Premium, $100. Example. Basic, 10 posts. Standard, 30 posts plus captions. Premium, 30 posts, captions, hashtag research, scheduling guide. This increases average order value. More revenue from same effort. Now use AI to speed delivery. ChatGPT for writing. Canva for design. CapCut for edits. Google Docs for templates. Notion for organization. This is where leverage compounds. You can do work faster than competitors. That first $1,000 is evidence. Evidence changes mindset. You stop asking, "Can I make money online?" and start asking, "How big can I scale this?" That is the shift. Now let's summarize your 30-day blueprint. Week 1. Choose one AI income model. Create samples. Set up simple selling system. Week 2. Outreach or content marketing daily. Get first buyers. Close first clients. Week 3. Package offers. Improve delivery. Collect testimonials. Raise perceived value. Week 4. Scale what works. Increase volume. Bundle products. Upsell clients. Reach first $1,000. Simple. Not easy. But simple. And if you commit for 30 days with consistency, you will be far ahead of most people still researching. Remember, AI rewards speed. Execution beats information. And the people winning right now are not necessarily smarter. They're just moving faster. So here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, choose one path. Take daily action. Track results. And don't quit after 3 days because reality showed up. Because the internet is full of people who start, but very few finish. Be one of the few. If you want more videos showing practical AI income systems, tools, and beginner strategies, subscribe to AI Wealth Academy. And start building your AI-powered income today. See you in the next video.